Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be a Bicester Village come shop with me, which I've not done, feels forever. I don't think I've really been to Bicester Village in the last 2 months, which is a long time for me, because if you're new here, you wouldn't know that. But if you're new here, hi, welcome, my name is Matt, welcome to my channel. If you're new, we do normally do a Bicester Village come shop with me once a month because I live down road, and yeah, I have not done one in a month. So if you like a come shop with me around Bicester Village, as well as a plethora of other places and hauls and other stuff all in that realm, then definitely take a moment to subscribe. It's free, no cost to you. Before we get into this video, if you can see like that in my glasses, I've got a ring light on because we have now come to the point in the year where it is dark at 4:30 because the clocks went back literally yesterday. When I'm filming this, I went on Monday to Bicester Village. A little preface before we get onto it. I went on the 31st of October to Bicester Village, and we had, well, Bicester Village had the private sale from the 1st to the 31st of October. It has now finished. I need to rearrange that cushion because it's being annoying. It is now finished, but that meant if you go in selected stores, they have additional 20, 30 or sometimes different percentages off. So if you're not, and it's like free, you just have to be a member of Bicester Village, but anyone can be a member, you just sign up. So literally anyone can be a member, so you might as well sign up. It's free, there's no cost to you to do that. I'm not being paid, this is not an ad. Bicester Village don't know I exist probably, so although I do a video of theirs basically every month promoting them, but it's because I've been going to Bicester Village my whole life. And yeah, so I went with my mum today. I said to my mum, I've got the day off, it's a Monday, I've got the day off work, I'm going to go to Bicester Village, do you want to come? And she said yes, because she wants to start her Christmas shopping, which she did. But yeah, let's go on into the come shop with me today, and then we'll do a recap at the end. And there's also going to be in the next video a haul, so stay tuned, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that. But let's get on into the come shop with me. So here we go into Bicester. It was quite wet. It didn't actually rain while I was there, but it rained the night before. They put out some of their Christmas stuff decoration wise. We did pop into Prada very quickly. Didn't really film too much because I actually bought something. See the haul in the next video to see what that was. But the actual first store where I got a lot of footage was Burberry. We went in, it was very quiet, which because it was the start of the day. They had like their own 20% off special price sale in here, not really to do with the membership, but in terms of t-shirts and things, you're looking at, which they always have these t-shirts, so you're looking at that price with those. And they've got that black and white, and they've got different ones here as well. Shirt wise, which I always love, a Burberry shirt, they've gone up a lot. You used to be able to get them for like £49. They're now obviously not that price. Didn't pop into Gucci, but there is Gucci. But we did go around the corner and go in the White Company, which is the next port of call. My mum bought some things in there. But in terms of what they got, obviously they got loads of towels and things. And if you're on the hunt for like a robe and you want a White Company one, then this is the price you're looking around. So it's £43 ish for that. Next, popped into Tommy Hilfiger. Do love a bit of Tommy. Sweatshirts in here are £70, which I think has gone up. I think they were around the £60 mark. And this jacket is really nice actually. I think I've seen that in House of Fraser potentially. Don't know why my actual jacket is like caught in the thing. They've got lots of nice like half zips, which are really nice for work. They're £70, lots of different colours of those. Really like that. Didn't pick one up though. And they've got some more bits over here. They did have some sale stuff, but not really too much, like sale on the outlet, if you know what I mean. And in terms of shirts, that's the price that you're looking for here. And like a what's that called, puffer jacket, that's the price for that. And they've got like fin puffers as well. Moving on to, we went in Lacoste because they've got a Peanuts collection. If you know me, I love Peanuts. This is what it's looking like, and as it's Lacoste, prices are quite expensive. So £113 for that jumper, but yeah, it is Lacoste at the end of the day, and £49 for a t-shirt. This cardigan was everything. Love that, but I'm not going to spend that much. And like half zips, quarter zips are that much as well. I'm not going to spend that, but do really like them nonetheless. So nice. Especially that cardigan, god, that was lovely. And they've got some like logo stuff over here as well. The Wolseley restaurant wise is now gone. It is now going to be this, I don't know how to pronounce that, but that is part of the Soho House group, which own the Farm Shop, which is at the end of the village, the other restaurant down there. In Coach, didn't get too much footage in here because there was quite a lot of sales associates in there, but did go in Michael Kors and got a few clips in here. In the men's section, which they had some deals, I suppose, but they have a lot of the same stock that they normally have. They have a lot of the same that they have every time I go. I feel not this polo shirt, but that t-shirt in red that just says Kors on it, I feel like it's in there every time I go in there. And then they've got some puffer jackets and things, and also trainers. Trainer wise, these are actually, I don't mind those, to be fair, and that's how much you're looking at paying for a Michael Kors one, and this one's in the different colours as well. Very New Balances-esque, and you've got lots of like wallets and stuff. I feel like the leather of those feels a bit plasticky because it's like Saffiano. Next went into Ted Baker. Do love a bit of Ted Baker. I think these were doing, was it 20 or 30% off? I can't remember. I think it might have been 30, which actually in hindsight is really good. I could have got something in there, but I don't really need many more clothes, or any really. That's very Reese-esque, and they've got like this like worker style jacket, was that, and then hoodie wise, I think this was like £65, if I can get the tag. Did I get it? Yeah, 65. Love this, but this was on the very pricey side. Really nice jacket though, love that. And then shirt wise, at the end here we've got a nice, I don't think I own any Ted Baker shirts. Next stop, Ralph Lauren, Polo Ralph Lauren, to see what they've got in, which they do have some Christmas stuff, which I really like. This shirt was, I feel like this is very Christmassy. I think I might have seen that before, to be fair. Very Christmassy, really like the colours of that. And you've got also this this shirt for one, which was like wool, which was interesting, like a wool knitted shirt. And then this, which is like tartan, giving me Scotland vibes. And then I saw this out the corner of my eye, the next thing over here. I was showing my mum the price of that. The next thing over here, I like beeline for that. I was like, that is lovely. It hasn't got any like thing to say it's like Ralph Lauren on it, which I know you don't really need to, but like, it's so nice. That is actually very reminiscent of something actually I've got already. Moving on to this bit, which is more like logo based, I guess. Like you've got this polo hoodie for that much, which we have seen before, to be fair. I don't think they were doing too much in the private sale. I think you had to spend over a certain amount to get a percentage off, but not that it matters now because private sale is over. This jumper was so nice. Really like the pastel colours in that, and it was on sale as well. Loved that actually. And they had like a knitted rugby shirt next to it as well, this one, which very interesting actually. I really like that. And we've got like jacket wise, you're looking at around, that was on sale 110 for that, and then like more rugby style shirts as well, which I love, obviously love varsity. So that was the come shop with me around Bicester Village today. I did actually pick up a few things, so there will be a haul in the next video, which is going to be Friday, I believe, will be the haul portion of this video. So yeah, they had, I didn't get quite as much footage as I wanted because I was with my mum and things, and we were doing other stuff, like we went to Pret and things, and then actually after we went to Bicester, we then went over to Milton Keynes, had afternoon tea in Brown's, which is that restaurant chain, which was £22 each, which is actually reasonable, but that's not why you clicked on this video. And then we did a bit more shopping around at Milton Keynes and then went home. But in terms of Bicester, my mum managed to get stuff that she wanted, for like, she normally gets stuff in Rituals. They had stuff in Rituals. Rituals, I don't believe, does like the private sale like percentages off. However, I have a VIP card because I've got a blue light card through work, and if you have a blue light card you can get 10% off most, or not, I would say most, but like selected stores, a lot of them's on there year round. I don't think it's on top of the sale prices, but you can get additional money off. And then because my mum signed up to be a Rituals member as well, we literally scanned all three of those things. I'm just thinking actually, where did I put those? Am I going to have to go back in my car? I think I am, because I was a member of Bicester Village, I got 2 free macarons at macarons at Ladurée, which are normally £2.50 each. So, you know, the price, you might as well do it. It's because I just scanned my QR code for my membership once, and it knew I bought something that day, so it was like, we're gonna give you free whatever. So I was like ka-ching on that. But and they're like it's £5 free, don't sniff at that, basically. But my mum's got stuff in also, like the White Company, L'Occitane, Rituals, and I think that was it where she got stuff. But I got stuff in other places. They did have some good deals. You're not going to get the deals on like the big 4 players, which are Prada, Gucci, Burberry and Dior. They won't do the private sale stuff. They have their own like selected sale things. Like one of the Burberry, when we went in there, had 20% off some of their stuff, like additional, but there was like a lot of coats and things, and like that's way out of my budget. So they didn't have their normal, which I haven't really had in a while, their what do you call it, shirts that I have bought some in the past. They didn't really have those. But yes, didn't really go in quite a lot of shops because we were on a time crunch because we wanted to leave Bicester at 12. We did have a little snack in Pret as well. We didn't go in like absolutely everything, and some of it was quite busy, even though it was a weekday, and I thought it might not be as busy as it normally is. But it is the last day of the private sale, which people might have been taking advantage of, and there wasn't like slim pickings of stuff. Like stuff was still available on shelves and things. So yes. Let me know down below if you took advantage of the private sale throughout October, because it was literally on for the whole of October. Let me know down below. And yeah, if you're not already, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free, no cost to you. We do Bicester Village normally once a month. Hopefully I'll do another one in December, because I'll probably be going back before the end of the year. And we do a haul if I buy anything from those, and like Primark, Come Shop With Me's, H&M, Zara, all of those once a month, as well as other ones across other different places. Like we do Selfridges sometimes, we do all of that kind of things. I do want to go to the department stores in London, so Selfridges, Harrods, Liberty, Fortnum's, all before Christmas. I might not get over to Harrods because of that being a bit out of my way, because the others are kind of in, you know, the West End, that's over in Knightsbridge. But yeah, I'll hopefully do that before Christmas, and like grocery hauls, too good to go bags, all that kind of stuff. So if that is your kind of cup of tea, then please take a moment to subscribe. No cost to you, and also follow my Instagrams, which are always linked down below as well. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I shall see you in the next one, which will be a Bicester Village haul.